Think I got one. Got him. What's good, YouTube? Appreciate y'all tuning in to Fisherman Josh. I am Fisherman Josh. Today, I'm gonna try to do some wintertime fishing. It is currently January. It is a nice day. It is pretty warm out today. So I'm gonna come out here and try my luck. Let's see what happens. Keep y'all posted. Got one. Woo! Let's go. What is this? All right. Let's go. Wintertime bass, baby. I know he cold. Ooh, let's go. Look at there. That's a nice fish. Wintertime. I can't get that out. Where is my hooker? Did not have high hopes today, but hey, that little bit of warm weather got him fired up a little bit. Let's let him go and let him grow. And he out of here. That's what I'm talking about. I've been out here maybe about 20 minutes. It's a good sign. Let's rinse and repeat. Let's rinse and repeat. I switched it up. I got this shout out to my boy Chad for the sweet Christmas gift. He gave me a goodie bag. I'm running these Z-Man Finesse TRDs today. So let's go. Appreciate you, Chad. I'm gonna get this back out there and see if we can hook into another one. Currently a few days later, I'm back out here at the normal spot. First part of the video, I only caught one fish that day. I was out here for a while, but it was one nice one, so I'll take it. It is currently 45 degrees out here, but the sun is out and it feels nice. So it's a beautiful day. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna start today with my Sedona. I'm running this, I think it's a Yamamoto Nuki on a Ned rig. I'm about to bounce this around, see if I can get into something. It is nice out here today. Oh, gotta put my shades on. That glare is crazy. Woo. Yeah, that was a mistake I made the last time I was out here. That glare was killing my eyes. It is currently 11 o'clock. I had to wait a little bit because it was cold this morning. It was super cold. Probably in the upper 30s when I got up. And I was like, yeah, nah. It is too cold outside right now. Had to let it warm up a little bit. Well, nothing on that first cast. All right. Think I got one. Got him. I don't know what you are, but you feel like a nice fish. Oh yeah. Ooh. Got a nice crappie. Let's go. Beautiful fish. Uh-oh. Stay still. Stay still. Let me get this out of here. There we go. Ooh, stuck myself. Nice crappie. Look at him. Pretty. Show him in the light. Yes, sir. Beautiful fish. He cold too. Wintertime crappie. Let him go. And he out of here. I stuck myself too. Look. A little bit of blood, sweat, and tears for the fish. I rub that on my reel for good luck. All right, let's do this again. I switched it up and put a small Z-Man TRD. I think that's what that is. But beautiful crappie. That's a good way to start the day. I've been out here probably all of 3 minutes. It's either gonna go one or two ways. They're gonna be hitting today, or that'll be the only fish I catch. We gonna see. But it is currently January, and I don't have high hopes, but it is a warmer day, so I'll take it. But yeah, this is what I'm running right now. I don't know if y'all can see this. All right, got one. Come on. I don't know what this is, but it is fighting. Okay, nice little bass. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Open your mouth. Ooh, he cold. There we go. Nice bass. Let's get him unhooked. I'm hooking it deep, so it's not deep, but it's deep enough to where I can't get my hand down in there and pop it out. So we're gonna do this with the de-hooker. Get it out of him. Show him off. Nice fish. Just let him go, let him grow. And he out of here. I hit him over there. I was like, I haven't fished over there today. I've been casting out that way. Let's cast that way. And sure enough, I hit one. So let's see if I can get on another one over there. Might be somebody else home. The fish are cold. Ooh, the fish are cold. But they active today, so I guess they chewing. It's always nice when you come out here and whack two back to back real quick. I'm just bouncing it up and down off the bottom. Oh, got one. Ah, he let it go. Let's see if he'll come back for it. Nah, he ain't come back for it. Nah, dang. He did take my worm down a little bit. Let's get this fixed. Man, I put on this random color purple worm with this green glitter in it. I was like, I'll give it a shot. And they are loving it this morning. So we're gonna keep working with what we doing. I done got my line tangled up. There we go. There we go. All right, let's throw it back over there. See if somebody else is home. Let it sink to the bottom. My favorite is when they hit it on the drop. Oh, that's the best. No bites. No bites. All right. Got one. Woo, little bass. Ski him on in. think this is bad. Oh, he let it go. Dang. Well, little bass. He wasn't a big guy. We're gonna get it back over there. Let it go at the bank. Dang. I thought I had him too, because I let him eat it. And then I set that hook, and I guess I didn't penetrate his jaw or his lip. He ain't biting again. He's like, nah. Fool me once. Won't get me again. Dang. Man, it's a beautiful day today. It's not too cold. The sun is out. It's so beautiful. I'm off work. Any day outside of the office is a good day for me. I like my job and what I do, but I'd rather do this for a living if I could. And y'all can make it happen. I appreciate everybody who watches me on the regular. Thank you. I just love fishing. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna record it. So this is where we are. To be as chilly as it is outside, they are active today. I am blessed to be able to come out here and do this on an off day. Let's see if anything's along the bank down there. Hopefully I don't get snagged on any branches or anything. Oh, dang, I had a bite. Stick trout. Spit it out farther. I've been in the same spot since I got here. If I'm in a spot and I'm catching fish, I'm not moving until I get like 3-4 casts, then nothing. But they seem to be around this little area right here, because that's where I'm catching them. Well, it's been about an hour and I haven't had a single bite. Caught those 2 fish off the rip, hooked into one, lost one at the bank, and haven't had a single bite since. I've been switching up different color lures or soft plastics and just trying to see what I can make happen. The wind started blowing like crazy and I ended up moving spots to a different spot of the lake and trying to see if there was anything over here. Because I went all up and down that side and haven't had a single bite in a while. So I was like, oh, time to move. But I'm working this Yamamoto, like a small Senko type worm. It's like a green with red flake in it. Hopefully that'll... Oh, I had a bite, dang. That was the first bite I'd have had in a while. I don't even think it's gonna come back for it. Oh man, missed that one. Well, at least I know they're over here. We're gonna keep trying. I'm glad I got that bite off of that color. So hey, I'm gonna keep working this. Hopefully something pick it up. That was a nice bite too. It was like it grabbed it it didn't grab the hook, so probably just grabbed the tail, trying to swim off with it. I was thinking the bass would be up kind of shallow, trying to warm up in the sun since it's such a nice day. Man, I hate when that happens. Hate when I miss fish. That's 2 for the day. I'm 2 and 2. Hey, beats going skunk. I was gonna fish with my stradic, my little 1000 stradic, but this rod has been putting in work, so I'm gonna stick with what I got in my hands. Ooh, it's windy. I've been trying to work this worm kind of slow. I don't know if it's true or not that the fish get lazy in the wintertime. I really never fish in the winter. But ever since I started doing YouTube, I'm like, let's give it a shot. I usually wait till it's nice outside, then I go fishing. But I'll fish in the rain. I don't care nothing about that. Fish in the thunder, I do not fool with the lightning. That's when it gets dangerous. I think I got one. Yep. Let's go. What are you? Stay down. Hey, I hit a little bass. Little guy. Little bitty guy. Let's get this hook out of him. All right, buddy. Little guy. Let him go and let him grow. Let's go. He hit on this Yamamoto. It's like got a red flake in it. It's pretty much like a green pumpkin almost. I don't know. Either way, I catch a lot of fish on this one. They like that color, so I tend to use it. And I see it works during the winter, so I can say I use it year round. I got my line all tangled around the tip of my rod. I hate when this happens. All right. Well, that's my first fish I caught on this side of the lake. Let's see if we can do it again. That little guy hammered it too. I thought I had a bigger fish than that on there. Just a little guy. I still count them. Well, I'm thirsty. I'm heading back to the bag. Had to walk back to the other side of the little lake. I need some water. And my lures. They're all beat up now, so gotta swap them out. This was my last cast. Think I'm gonna call it. See if we can get some magic. It's been a decent day. Caught 3, lost 2. Been out here a few hours. I am done for the day, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in to Fisherman Josh. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.